Hello, today I'm going to talk about Nair Glide Away Hair Removal. Nair has a huge line of products specifically designed for hair removal, body hair removal, that is. Nair has its infamous cream where you can apply it to your skin on the arms or the legs, and in minutes you can wipe the hair off of your skin. It's a really great product, especially for those who don't like shaving, who want more of a clean look. Nair obviously using Nair will prevent razor bumps, obviously, because you're not using a razor. It's razor-free hair removal. And it's good for the summer, for your legs, for underneath your arm. But the Nair cream can get kind of messy. It is just a bottle with loose product in it. So they designed this gliding stick, which is really great. I'm excited to talk about it today for those who are looking for an alternative to Nair. This is a great product. You can hold it in your hand. It's mess-free. You can control where the product goes, and it's for sensitive, small areas, which is also nice because it's designed specifically for that. You can hold it in your hand and you can glide the product onto your body, literally. So it comes in a container like this. Now this looks like a deodorant packaging, but it is not deodorant. However, it is for your underarms. It's for your underarms, your bikini area, your arms, little tiny spots on your body that it is a little bit hard to reach. This is what that's for. Now, it comes in this plastic. This is just a hard plastic container, and you can see it has the cap, and then you have the twist bottom where you can twist up the product to come out at the top. This is not a deodorant, but it gives the appearance of being a deodorant container, but you obviously don't want to use this and keep it under your arms. Just for a size comparison, I have an ink pen here, and you can see it's just a little bit taller. And then also I just have a water bottle, and it's obviously smaller than that. It's the size of a standard deodorant, stick of deodorant, basically. So you can hold it in your hand. You could take it with you when traveling. The lid is okay. It's kind of loose, but again, the product's not going to come out unless you twist this. So it's a lot better than the bottle in that way because you don't have to worry about the product gushing out all over the place. Also, if anyone actually uses the Nair in the bottle, you would know that cleaning up is kind of a mess. As you're putting it on your hand and you're applying it to your legs, you then have to go back and touch the bottle, and it gets all over it and it becomes a mess. So this is actually a huge step up for them. So basically, the main ingredient in this is Moroccan argan oil. Now, it doesn't really do anything as far as the hair removal process. The argan oil is to just ensure that your skin is not damaged. It's going to be moisturized after you use the product. It kind of gives you a nice smooth feeling on your arms or your bikini line, wherever you're using it. It doesn't do anything to aid the actual hair removal process. So again, it comes in it's like a stick of deodorant, and you just gotta get it hold like that. You're gonna pop this cap off. Now this is not a difficult cap to remove, but again, luckily you have this so that the product doesn't come out unless you squeeze it. Twist it. So as you can see, there's like 3 openings there at the top where the products come out, so you can see that a lot of product is not going to come out at one time because again, it's for the bikini line and you don't want to squeeze more product out than you actually need. So you just twist up the cap, and as you can see, I only twisted it just a little bit, and that amount of product already came out. So again, for those who use Nair, you know that the products have a specific smell. It's not the most attractive smell. It definitely smells like a chemical-based product. Again, the argan oil is not for any purpose other than that after shave feeling and to moisturize your skin. But it definitely does have it's definitely a strong chemical smell. So just be careful of that. Obviously, this is not for your face. It's only for your body. It says specifically here it's for bikini line, arms, and underarms. You don't want to put this anywhere near your face. So when I'm doing this, I usually hold my face a little bit away from it because the smell can be a little bit overwhelming. So I leave it. You want to put it on dry skin. And there's always directions on the back of it. if you wanted to just, you know, make sure that you knew exactly what you were doing. But you want to put it on dry skin. You roll it onto your bikini line, or you roll it under your arms as if it was a stick of deodorant. You're going to leave it up there no longer than, I would say, 7 minutes, maybe less. For those who have sensitive skin, Nair does tend to burn just a little bit. And that's the only deal breaker about this product for me personally, is that it does burn my skin a little bit, especially when I'm putting it on my legs or like my bikini line. I do feel it start to tingle. If you feel that sensation and you're not satisfied with the level of hair removal that is done in that time, I would recommend you still take it off. Only because you don't want to get a chemical burn or damage your skin in any way. It's really not worth it. Excuse me, I've done that as well. I've done both. I've left it on after I felt that it was burning, and I did sense a little bit of irritation around my skin, and then I tried again sometime after that, and when I applied it, started to burn a little bit again, and I wiped it off, and I was actually happy with the amount of hair that it removed in that time. So it just depends. Again, there's more specific instructions in the back. You want to play it by ear. Do whatever your skin can handle, but you don't need to put it on that long. So when you put it on, after a few minutes, after it sets for a few minutes, you can actually see the hair start to rise. And you just wipe it off, you know, with a towel or like a washcloth. You just shower as normal, and that is how you do it. So this is a really, really great product. Definitely a step up from the bottle version. It's not as messy. It goes on smooth. It's handheld. So again, this is Nair, the Glide Away Hair Removal Cream. And I hope you found this helpful.